smell of the rain at summertime. So I left my window open just to let you come inside, saying that you'd never leave me was a lie. And there were times that my eyes were filled with water, but all the world was desert dry. So I hugged my pillow closer and I tried to close my eyes, but the sound of distance